that is one thing that he needs to change about himself genuinely. If you have done some fantastic work, like a galti se mistake, chakachak, स्त्री वन, सारे गाने स्त्री वन के, बाला के सारे गाने. I am very proud of his work. I am his biggest PR. And मेरे भाई का गाना, मेरे भाई का गाना, मेरे भाई का गाना, I'm a band. So that one thing needs to change. He needs to talk about his work more. He needs to like to be seen more. He was my father's favorite child. He's my mother's favorite child. Mera beta.
Not at all.
He's like, oh shut up.
Not at all.
Oh shut up.
Please.
Mummy to
Papa was.
Like, she can do it. So the
Papa
problem
was like in love with her.
Yeah,
Anything she
that
did was right,
happens
anything
in
I
it.
did was wrong.
I would not get attention only.
Oh my god.
I was fine. I wouldn't move around only. I was
मैं भी
like a
तो
lazy
हाथ
duck,
में-
always
Yeah.
lying in the house. So how can you get
मेरा
hurt?
हाथ
Yeah.
पकड़ के वो monkey ladder
Just
से गिरी
once
थी.
I had gone to the monkey ladder and I broke my hand.
She broke her hand.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, that also. Mummy first came, gave me one thappad, idiot, and then she took me.
But that wasn't your fault.
Yeah, exactly.
That is how it was.
That is how it
Cube
was.
चढ़ी ऊपर.
Yeah, that.
We went on set. It was just fantastic, and the first song we did was a romantic song with Raj sir and Shraddha. And obviously वो दो जन थे तो बहुत मस्ती की. And the next song came with Tamanna Bhatia.
Yes.
And that
That is
was a
like
surprise.
trending.
Such a sweetheart.
She's
Yeah.
amazing.
Such a
She's
sweetheart.
just
Yeah,
amazing.
you met her.
Yes, I did, and
Yeah.
you know, such a humble, down-to-earth person.
Oh my God.
What a wonderful, wonderful person she
Just
is.
super. Like it was 5 degrees when we were shooting the song, and obviously when you're setting up the shot and she's standing on the mark, something goes wrong, light चला जाता है या बैटरी बंद हो जाती है तो कुछ होता है. She was there and she was like, "Don't worry, I'm here."
और बर्थडे और स्पेशल डेट्स जो हमेशा भूलता है.
मेरे को कुछ याद नहीं रहता.
Just let a question now.
आराम से मारना है. ये क्या है? ये करके कौन मारता है?
चुप रहे. या मेरे राखी के बंधन को निभाना, भैया मेरे बड़ी बहन को ना भूल जाना.
गाइस, भाई बहन का प्यार का बंधन है इस दुनिया में वरदान. इसके जैसा कोई दूजा ना रिश्ता, चाहे ढूंढ लो सारा जहान. Presenting you Rupali and Vijay here for Rakhi Special, and this is your host Riya. Welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Hey Riya, thank you.
थैंक यू रिया, ये याद करके आई ना.
Yeah.
मस्त बोला.
अच्छा बोला.
Thank you so much. So guys, siblings are always like savior, okay? कोई भी सिचुएशन होती है, ट्रबल में पड़ते हैं, so I'm sure कि आपकी देवी जी हैं जो हर एक प्रॉब्लम में आपको छोड़ने, ट्रबल में आपका साथ देती हैं. So I want to know about that situation and your bond childhood से.
देवी बन के बैठी देखो. ये देखो. So it's been recent that she has been saving me out of so many troubles. I can't even tell you.
Hello, not recent. It's
Recent,
been like, shut up.
recently.
Oh God.
पहले she was the one getting me in trouble
Ooh.
all the time.
Yeah.
Big बहन तो.
Big बहन and how? Like पहले तो मेरे को बोला था. This story I think is very
Yeah, but
famous
you
that
believed it also, which was
that
so sad.
she used to tell me that मेरे को रास्ते से कचरे के डब्बे से उठा के लाया. I think every sibling
Yeah.
does that.
This is like
They are
so
my
relatable.
parents.
Even my brothers are like that.
Yeah, but then the younger siblings are for that only, no?
Yeah.
It means
It's
young-
Why do people have younger siblings? यही के like so that you have somebody to bully. And but hello, I could beat him up, but I wouldn't let anybody else beat him.
हाँ, that was it.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is so sweet.
Yeah, in school if anybody beat me or something,
I
she would
like,
go and
yeah, I
we
would
were in the same
take on
school.
Stronger boys
Yeah.
also I would like fight with.
हाँ,
Yeah,
ऐसा
yeah.
बोलते हैं ना कि मैं तेरे सामने तेरी बुराई कर सकती हूँ बट लेकिन पीठ पीछे नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
हाँ.
हाँ,
है ना?
पीछे नहीं अच्छा हाँ whatever, ठीक है fine.
So अब तक कितने सालों से आपने राखी बनाई है, तो what's that special moment that of राखी जो that cherish your heart, that memory जो एकदम it remains in your heart rent free. ऐसे कोई special राखी moment या फिर कोई special gift जो आपको मिला होगा.
गिफ्ट तो पता नहीं मैं.
Gift,
हम लोग
no, Rakhi has never been about gifts. It's
Really?
never been about gifts. No.
and she is one person
No,
who's whenever I give her something like obviously जब when I started earning also तब पहले कमाया था and then I went and you know होता है कि नहीं राखी में पैसे देना. She was not the person कि हाँ मुझे पैसे चाहिए. She was never that person.
Yeah.
She used to give it back to me and say तू और एक रख और तू खर्चा कर.
Oh, and what about Bhai Dooj?
No, I am not the kind of a person who will ever take it. I mean, पति से मिले तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है बट नहीं
In fact,
भाई
she
और
loves
बेटा
giving gifts. She doesn't
Yes,
like
I
taking
like
You
gifts.
give one, not a taker.
So it's a task to give her gifts because I remember recently she had done something. Obviously, she's done so many things, and I bought her a little gold coin, saying that, and
Yeah.
because you don't know what to get her. You know, she's got like grace of God. She's got enough, and you don't know what to give. So I gave her a nice, beautiful gold coin, and so she said thank you. She kept it. और फिर एक टाइम आया जब मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया तो शी केम विद अ गिफ्ट एंड शी गेव मी अ गिफ्ट एंड इट वाज द सेम गोल्ड कॉइन एंड आई एम लाइक दिस इज द गोल्ड कॉइन आई गिव यू नहीं ये तूने नहीं दिया था मुझे आई सेड दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई गिव यू शी लाइक नहीं रे देन शी डिडंट नो व्हाट टू से तो शी लाइक अच्छा हाँ बट तेरे लिए तो था ये एंड शी मेड इट अप एंड इट्स कम बैक टू माय हाउस
Oh
बेसिकली
my
Yeah, but
god.
it's generally I am not very. They are younger than me, so it's like he's the younger sibling, so he's like the first son. My son is the second son.
Yeah.
So I would want to do things for them.
Yeah, true.
Like I would love it अगर रुद्रांश मेरे लिए खरीद के चलो एक अगर कुछ अच्छा पोएम लिख दे या कुछ ऐसा फूल लेकर these are the things
That's
that
a sweet
या तो
little
कार्ड
things.
बना दे कार्ड हम लोग कितने कार्ड्स बनाते
हम लोग
थे
बहुत
यार,
cards
बहुत कार्ड्स बनाते थे यार
ऐसा होता है ना कि पैसे से सब कुछ खरीदा जा सकता है लेकिन एफर्ट से अगर तुम
Yes,
कुछ बनाते हो या कुछ करते हो दैट्स द थिंग दैट रिमेन्स इन योर
And today it's
हार्ट
so important that people don't have time. Like especially we both are like busy in our own lives, in our work and stuff. टाइम नहीं मिलता है तो जब वो टाइम निकाल के आप कुछ करते हो ना आई थिंक दैट इज मोर
Yeah,
वैल्यूएबल
that-
Yeah, true,
the
true,
value
true.
is to be together and to spend
Yeah.
quality time to make memories.
So true.
Now he's the permanent babysitter for my son.
Aw.
हाँ,
So
तो मतलब
sweet.
अभी he has moved here close by and घर के पास में है तो कभी भी कहीं भी जाना होता है रुद्रांश anyways रुद्रांश is मामू भक्त
Aw.
what he knows I have no idea I didn't know my son could speak English I didn't know my son heard music
इंग्लिश म्यूजिक
Wow.
yeah,
Yeah,
English music which his mother has never heard unlike the typical those
Classic.
item number no classic
Other-
कुछ नहीं।
other.
नहीं,
Item number.
नहीं, item numbers
Yeah.
So
item numbers the
cool.
Govinda number those are the songs that I hear and I enjoy and ठीक है कभी कभी ऐसे पूरा philosophical दुखी मोड होता है तो मैं एकदम ऐसे वो सुनती हूँ but eventually I am the typical masala movie
Yeah.
masala song वाला
Coolest
person.
mom here.
Yeah, I mean like, and I had no idea. This boy wouldn't tell me. He was speaking Hindi at home. I didn't know he was speaking English. And उसके बाद इंग्लिश गाना ये जस्टिन बीबर
Justin Bieber.
हाँ जस्टिन ये सब के गाने वो बिलीव पता नहीं
Billie
क्या
Eilish.
सुनता रहता है
Yeah.
हाँ वो सब
जस्ट का बिलीव
अच्छा,
अच्छा
see this is how bad I am.
Yeah.
I have no idea about English music. Sorry, but मैं नहीं सुनती हूँ यार.
So true. And you know, Rupali, being a big sister, it's been always a responsibility for you, I guess, to take care of your younger brother. छोटी छोटी बातों पे उनका साथ देना ये वो. So, was it at a moment जब ये बड़े हो गए विजय, तो आपने बोला रहेगा कभी कि now it's up to you. I'm not going to be there 24/7 for you now. अभी के कुछ भाई बहन ऐसे भी होते हैं.
Pride in interfering in his life very
Oh my God and how like कुछ भी होता है अच्छा होता है कुछ भी होता है first call is to Rupali to either take advice or to say कि ऐसा हुआ है क्या करूँ या बहुत अच्छा हुआ है ये हुआ
Just
है
went also he'll call her, but yeah.
हाँ and sometimes I just don't want her to interfere in things which she will want
But I still want to.
Yeah.
हाँ
Guys, I want to know कि ऐसी एक हैबिट जो या मे बी अ पर्सनैलिटी वाइज और अ हैबिट दैट यू रियली वांट टू चेंज अबाउट ईच अदर लाइक स्टिल कि नहीं ये हैबिट यू हैव टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस हैबिट.
बोलूँ क्या
हाँ बोल.
ये अभी अभी हुआ है कि हम यहाँ पर आ रहे थे एंड इट ऑलवेज हैपेंस दैट वी यूज्ड टू स्टे इन वर्ली एरिया एंड तो जब रुद्रांश छोटा था तो रूपाली यूज्ड टू ड्राइव व्हेन बिफोर अनुपमा मच बिफोर अनुपमा शी हैड टेकन अ 7-year break to just be with Rudransh and that time she used to come from Andheri to Worli just to meet mummy तो मुझे फोन आता था कि अरे नीचे आ जा मैं गाड़ी चला रही हूँ तो तू रुद्रांश को लेके ऊपर चले जाना आई विल पार्क द कार आई एम लाइक ग्रेट कहाँ पर है मैं सीलिंग पे हूँ आई एम राइट देयर कम डाउन जस्ट कम डाउन अभी आ जा एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक ओके लेट्स गो सो आई यूज्ड टू गो डाउन एंड वेटिंग 15 मिनट 20 मिनट आधा
आई गेस
घंटा
एवरी गर्ल डू दिस.
Yeah,
You know,
see, I'm
and
telling you.
no,
I'm telling you it's a
one
normal
second,
thing.
please.
Yeah. He thinks
और
it's abnormal.
नहीं, one
It's just
sec,
very
one sec.
normal.
And अच्छा आप अगर मेरे को बोलते सीलिंग पे हो तो आप कहाँ होती सीलिंग के थोड़ा पहले ये घर से ही नहीं निकली है और मैं
Oh
नीचे
my
खड़ा
जा
हूँ।
जा, this is
God.
over
ये
exaggerated.
था,
This
ये
is
था।
जा जा, अंधेरी ब्रिज पे ट्रैफिक होता है, मैं क्या करूँ?
तो आज
मुझे
भी
लगता
वही
है
हुआ।
ऐसे हाईवे
हाँ।
हाईवे हाईवे, अभी हाईवे बॉम्बे में हाईवे जैसा नहीं है, कितना ट्रैफिक है वहाँ पर, बाप रे.
So आज भी I was standing right outside Aram Nagar का
Yeah,
just
you wouldn't
outside.
believe me.
And I'm like,
Oh
where are
my
you? So
God.
she said, अरे I'm next to this sort some Irish what was that?
Irish wines.
Some Irish wines. I'm standing in front of Irish wines. I'm like, तेरी गाड़ी नहीं दिख रही. अरे मेरे को दिख रहा है. I'm there only. I'm
But
like
I could
standing
see
there.
it.
But she came in 30 seconds.
Yeah, I could see it there. And one thing
There,
that I
huh?
would
There.
like to change about him, his sense of righteousness.
Oh my God.
He is always like everything is black and white. There is no gray.
Oh,
It is
it has
like
to be.
Yeah, and he's a workaholic. He's obsessed with work. He's fantastic at his work. He's a very, very, very good technician. No, actually, two things. And
Yeah.
another thing is that he never speaks about his achievements. He will never like speak मैंने ये किया. अब हमारी इंडस्ट्री कैसी है कि आप क्या वो जो खुद की पीपड़ी
जो
खुद ही
दिखता है
बजाते
वो
हैं.
होता
अब वो
है।
कैसे
खुद की पीपड़ी को I have done this, I have done this. Oh, I did this song recently and this happened and I did this song and I did this song. तो कई सारे लोग ऐसे हैं. हाँ, we don't have that because our father was like that probably.
Yeah, dad would
We
like
are
put us in
so
place in
used to
meeting.
giving other people the credit, but sometimes I think that is one thing that he needs to change about himself genuinely. If you have done some fantastic work, like a गलती से mistake, चकाचक, स्त्री वन, सारे गाने स्त्री वन के, बाला के सारे गाने, then you have अंधाधुन के सारे गाने, and all your songs have been hits. Every song last month, I think all your songs were trending. हाँ, तरस was trending, then your सोनी ऐसे टांगो वाला जो मैं कर ही नहीं पाई से,
Yeah.
तो वो सारे उसके गाने ट्रेंड हो रहे थे, बट ये कभी बोलता ही नहीं है. He doesn't say it only. He will never come out and say, "Oh, that's my song." And you've done fantastic work. Own it, and then tell people that this is
Yes.
the kind of work you're
Yes.
doing. This is your body of work. You've done about more than 150 songs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But-
but it's like he'll never speak about it, and most of them have been his from that Rush ke Kamar.
Yeah, Rush Ke
Even
Kamar.
that.
कितने
हाँ,
So
but
true, like,
even उतने
they
सारे-
are
Did
just
you know
so
that he's
fast.
done
They
that
were-
song? Did you even
Yes.
know he's done Milegi Milegi and Kamariya, all those songs?
Now, few I don't know.
And his sense of
Ye-
हाँ, अभी 100 million हुआ है. I was just getting, हाँ 100 million views हो चुके हैं. उसका
Yeah,
क्या
Vijay
आज
is so
की
fantastic.
रात वो वाला. I am
biggest
very
Yeah.
proud of his work. I'm his biggest PR.
Yeah.
And मेरे भाई का गाना, मेरे भाई का गाना, मेरे भाई का गाना, I have a band. So that one thing needs to change. He needs to talk about his work more. He needs to like to be seen more. He's like,
Yeah.
no, I'm not going out in public. No. So, नहीं यार, my work will speak for itself. Work does not speak for
Please,
itself.
work speaks
now.
for itself.
Yes, it
See,
does.
your work is speaking for itself.
Yeah, but I'm being seen.
अरे, but your talent is
7
seen
days
now.
a week. I am seen
Yes,
every day
there
on
are
television.
so many actors who are doing what you're doing also, but people are loving you because of your talent.
But that's also because of the fantastic script and the storyline that Anupama has, and your self righteousness. कि ये ऐसा है तो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. ये ऐसा है तो ऐसा नहीं. Oh no, I'm a technician and I should get a certain level of positioning and this and that. Arey, but till you're speaking about it, how will you get your positioning? So that is one thing I want to change
love
about
this.
him.
Yeah.
He can't be like my papa. My
Yeah.
papa was very like every Sunday he had to go shopping with us for bhaji. And for marketing, he would go cook for us and all every Sunday. And he was always under the radar. आजकल तो वैसा है कि जो दिखता है वो बिकता है.
True.
एंड स्पेशली टेक्नीशियंस, एक्टर्स तो दिख ही जाते हैं. एक्टर्स का तो काम है दिखना, बट टेक्नीशियंस को अपने काम के बारे में बोलना पड़ता है. ओके, प्रवचन होगा.
Thanks.
Exactly. you are so lucky. Your sister is a cheerleader for you.
Yeah.
She's the biggest PR. I agree to the point. And also, कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि बड़ी बहन, मतलब मैंने मेरी फैमिली में कजन्स में ऐसे देखा है कि जो बड़ी बहन होती है ना, वो अपने छोटे भाई को बहुत ढेर भर के प्यार देती है, जस्ट बिकॉज उसके भाई को उतना प्यार नहीं मिलता है उतने पेरेंट्स से. बट बड़ी बहन इज लाइक कि नहीं, मैं देती हूँ.
इसको बहुत ज्यादा प्यार मिला है. माय फादर, ही वाज माय फादर्स फेवरेट चाइल्ड. He's my mother's favorite child. Mera beta.
Not at
He's
all.
like, oh shut up.
Not at all.
Oh shut up.
Please.
Mummy to
Papa
treated me
was-
like, she can do it.
Please.
Oh my
So the
God.
Papa
problem
was like in love with her.
Yeah,
Anything she did
that
was right,
happens
anything
in
I
it.
did was wrong.
Like हाँ, mom ज़्यादा
Mom
बेटों
थोड़ा
को
सा
ज़्यादा
side
प्यार
में
करती
he
है.
was born cuter. Okay, so he got all the love and he was small. So it was like, oh, and I was like this fat and strong child. I am strong. I can't help it. And he was like a little peepsqueak. So they all, I think everybody was so protective about him all the time. Oh my God. And he was like, कहीं कभी ऊपर से कहीं से कूद के नीचे गिर जाए, सर फट जाए, कहीं कुछ हो तो कुछ हो जाए, कहीं कुछ, and मुझे कुछ नहीं होता था. So I would not get attention only.
Oh my God.
I was fine. I wouldn't move around only. I
मैं
was
भी
like
तो
a
हाथ
lazy
में
duck,
yeah.
always lying in the house. So how can you get
मेरा
hurt?
हाथ तो
Yeah.
पता है, वो monkey ladder से
Just
गिरी
once
थी।
I had gone to the monkey ladder and I broke my hand.
She broke her hand.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, that also. Mummy first came, gave me one thappad, idiot, and then she took me.
But that was your fault.
Yeah, exactly. That's
That is how it was.
That is how
क्यों
it
चढ़ी
was.
ऊपर?
Yeah, that is
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
every middle class.
Like ऊपर
Yeah,
चढ़ी
yeah.
क्यों तू?
household mom.
Because I was like down.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And you can't even speak that.
Yeah,
much,
I
like,
couldn't
yeah,
hang.
अभी
लटक
नहीं
नहीं
कर
पाई मैं
सकती।
ज़्यादा देर तक तो मैं क्या करूँ मम्मा टूट गया.
Yeah, so sweet. I want to know about your work कि इतना ज़्यादा आपने मचाया like off screen you were like literally touch wood नजर ना लगे. I want to know how about this 3-2 जिसमें आपने choreograph किया है. The latest song, the name is
आज की रात।
आज की रात.
I've done
Yes.
3 songs. आज की रात, the romantic one, and खूबसूरत.
Yeah,
These
so
three I've done.
so lovely. Like people have always cheered the 3-2 music and touchwood more and more on your plate. May you glow and shine,
Thank
Vijay. Vijay, I want to know how was your experience working with this 3-2 cast, and was it tough for you to choreograph to the star cast?
See, I've done the first part. So is the same exact team that came back again for 3-2. So it was the director Amar Kaushik, you know, even the assistant directors were the same.
Oh my
And
God.
Raj sir is one of the most brilliant actors we have in our country. Shraddha was there. Like the whole team was coming back together, and we had such a great time shooting the first part.
Oh my God.
So when the second part was being made, you know, there are a lot of times when you're like, "Ki, you know what, will they call me for this?" So you always reach out and say, you know what, I'm here. Like, and I can tell them that और कोई नहीं करेगा मैं ही करूँगा. वैसा equation है हमारा. So when we went on set, it was just fantastic. And the first song we did was a romantic song with Raj sir and Shraddha. And obviously वो दो जन थे तो बहुत मस्ती की. And the next song came with Tamanna Bhatia.
Yes.
And that
is
was
like
a surprise.
trending.
Such a sweetheart.
She's
Yeah.
amazing.
Such a
She's
sweetheart.
just
Yeah,
amazing.
you met her.
Yes, I did, and
Yeah.
you know, such a humble, down-to-earth person.
Oh my God.
What a wonderful, wonderful person she
Just
is.
super. Like it was 5 degrees when we were shooting the song, and obviously when you're setting up the shot and she's standing on the mark, something goes wrong, light चला जाता है या battery बंद हो जाती है तो कुछ होता है. She was there and she was like, "Don't worry, I'm here. No stress." You know, normally people would say it's very cold. Oh, let me sit. Why you making me stand and stuff like that? People get irritated. Nothing. That song was shot with so much love, and you can see it on screen.
Yeah. Was it the moment on set when you were working and Rupali will be like cheerleader again for Vijay? Like, yeah, my brother
Soni,
is
you
doing
came.
the work well.
Sony,
Sony, Sony.
Yeah, and she's my lucky. Like she says, and she is.
Yeah.
The lucky charm, because whichever set she
Yeah.
comes on, she very hardly बहुत कम आती
You
है.
have to agree to that point. She is a lucky charm for
She
you.
is definitely
He
a
takes
lucky
me
charm.
for his awards. So yeah, so
Yeah,
मैंने
yeah.
उसको पहली बार बोला था तू मुझे नहीं ले जाएगा फिल्म फेयर में अपने साथ में. तो then you know I'm your lucky charm. So you better take me.
I'll tell them this story also. So what happened the first film fair? Yeah.
You have plenty, I
We
mean.
can just go on for hours.
Yeah.
But the first film fair when I was nominated, at that time Anupama had not come out.
Yeah.
So and I had got only 2 passes, and I was like, "Mummy को भी ले जाना है." Rupali like, "मेरे को भी जाना है because I'm a lucky charm." I'm like, "हाँ, but how do I?" So I had to manage tickets somehow. Okay.
I went on R. Varman sir's ticket.
Yeah. Ravi
We
Varman
got
sir
a-
didn't turn up, so he said, "Ki you take my ticket," and then Rupali had come, and then obviously she said, "Ki मैं आई तो तू जीतेगा," and I won. And so obviously years later Anupama happened, and I was nominated again. And that time I asked for like,
चकाचक के लिए.
I was like, you know, I need an extra pass because I need my sister to come. They said, "Of course, Rupali is there. We'll give you an extra pass." And they gave me an extra pass. They sent a pass to Rupali, and both the passes were with me in the car, and we reached first. And we are waiting for Rupali, and I'm calling her कि तू आएगी तो
on
मैं
my
तेरा
way.
पास तेरे को दूंगा तो तू ऊपर आएगी because they'll check the passes, right? there was no call, there was nothing, and I suddenly hear a lot of crowd and a lot of chaos, and I'm like, who's come? And I see Rupali coming and people all around
What
her.
a surprise.
They came there and they said, come and sit in the front. She said, no, I want to sit with my brother. So she came 4 rows back and she sat with us.
That is so
Again, I won.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is thanks to Anupama Baba,
Yeah.
Rajan
Yeah.
Shahi, thank
So,
you.
so,
It was
Star
a
Plus.
wonderful feeling.
Yeah, guys. And guys, what's the secret that you have kept till now from your parents that your parents don't know about, but you guys know about each other?
मेरे पेट में कोई बात नहीं पचती कुछ नहीं
You are not the secret keeper then.
नहीं I'll keep a secret मम्मी मम्मी मम्मी
She's got me in trouble so many times.
Yeah.
I can't even tell you
Yeah.
because of this. Ki I would go and tell her, ki you know what, something. And Rupali, aisa. Next thing, she's gone and told Papa. And I'm sitting there and Dad's giving me lecture. ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए. And I'm looking at her, she's like that. So yeah.
I would even pick up the extension in the house and hear.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I was
हमारे
a very
landlines
cheap
होते थे.
sibling. I was very bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I loved being nasty. So see, we have so many stories to tell. If I was that boring, nice, oh my God, loving sister, you wouldn't have stories to tell.
It would be loving stories, na?
Yeah.
It would be like मेरी बहन ने कितना मेरे लिए, oh my God, sacrifice and this and that.
तो अभी तू चेयर पे नहीं बैठा होता मेरे पैरों में गिरा होता
ओह।
पागल
Talking about sacrifice, मेरे दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन आया कि is there anything that you sacrificed about you that for your brother and for your sister? Is there anything that you sacrificed?
No, I mean,
I did the Michael Jackson concert tickets. You know, only we could afford only one at that point of time. Yeah.
yeah.
So
तो ये
he
सब
was
याद रखते
crazy. हाँ मैं सब याद रखती हूँ बस.
ये पूरा लिस्ट है इसके पास.
Yeah, just now she's a chakka chakka like no.
I don't forget. So उस टाइम पे हम लोग के पास एक ही पास के पैसे थे. But he was a crazy Michael Jackson fan. He was crazy.
Yeah, yeah, I was insane.
And I think
I was
we
saving up
loved,
for
we
it.
grew up seeing Michael Jackson.
Wow.
So he took the pass and I went with you and I sat outside Andheri Sports
You
Complex.
dropped me and you went.
Yeah.
I went inside.
I
and
was
I was
outside and he was inside. But he got good passes. In fact, he was right near the stage and
Yeah.
also it was fun. Yeah. So.
And guys, talking about relationship, who is the best advisor जो relationship में हमेशा देता है या देती है from you, both of you?
Depends from time to time, I think, na?
अरे we both are bad.
नहीं नहीं please, मैं I'm very good. तेरा
That's
पता
what you think. Shut up.
नहीं, तेरा भी कभी-कभी advice अच्छा ही रहता है.
Yeah.
हाँ, sometimes you give good advice and then you have to be selective.
Did
You
it
have to know
work?
which one to take.
Yeah.
So, it depends from time to time.
Yeah. I mean
Yeah.
like, yeah.
हाँ.
Okay. fine. If you insist.
And yeah, one more thing I remember now that आपने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि रूपाली बहुत प्रैंक करती है मेरे पे, बहुत प्रैंकस्टर है she is. So I want to know that memory कि कभी प्रैंक आपने किए थे?
मैं प्रैंक नहीं किया मैंने टॉर्चर किया
बहुत torture. Like we can use the word torture, like literally.
and I'm so
Like the
proud of
pranks.
it.
Oh
Yeah,
my
yeah.
god,
That's
so
the story I want
lovely.
to say.
No,
Best story that is.
no.
Which one?
The world should know that story.
Oh, shut up.
So I
I
was.
didn't know this was going to happen. This is
So
so
I was very.
I didn't know
तो पापा मेरे को मैं जब क्रिकेट खेलने बाहर जाता था कॉलेज से था क्रिकेट खेलने चला जाता था एंड डैड यूज्ड टू बी लाइक यू डोंट गो एंड प्ले
Every time he was just playing, he was
I was only
stuck.
playing. I used to go take my bat and go to play. साइकिल थी मैं चला जाता था मैं. तो वहाँ पर एक लैंडलाइन था किसी फ्रेंड का. तो जब पापा आते थे तो फोन आता था कि पापा आ रहे हैं. एंड 6 o'clock डैड यूज्ड टू कम. सो आई यूज्ड टू मेक श्योर कि 6 बजे के पहले मैं घर पहुँच जाऊँ. So one day I'm playing cricket. Suddenly at some 5 o'clock I get a call. 5:15. Frantically, the people are running and saying, "Hey, your sister is called. Sister is called." I said, "क्या हो गया?" So I ran. I took the landline. She's like, "कहाँ है? पापा आ गया. तू पागल है? क्या कर रहा है?" And I panicked. I just ran. I left everything. I took my cycle and I'm cycling fast. I'm going downhill and I remember कि मेरा ब्रेक फेल है साइकिल का. मैं ब्रेक रिपेयर करना भूल गया. मैं फास्ट जा रहा हूँ नीचे के एक गाड़ी आके से रुकी.
Brake is fail. You didn't even repair it. How do I
तो
know?
गाड़ी आके रुकी and I could not obviously stop. I banged into the car. I flew over the car. I fell. There was a bus. I almost came under the thing. I saw my cycle. It's crushed. I took the cycle in my hand.
That
And
is a
literally,
movie
I'm not even
scene.
exaggerating. And I'm running. I ran. वो साइकिल उठा के भाग के मैंने रखा नीचे हमारी बिल्डिंग पे फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे सीढ़ियाँ थी तो नीचे रख के मैं ऊपर गया भाग के अंदर गया. And I'm petrified कि अब डैड सामने आएंगे और वो I'm dead. And I open the door. I come inside. She's standing. मजाक कर दी पापा तो आई नहीं. You know what? My
my
blood
God.
just went all over. I was like,
And we
Oh
fought.
God.
And I'm telling
Yeah, you fought.
बाल वाल नोच के मार
That
पिटाई
मैं
is
साइकिल जाके
that
देख हालत साइकिल
crazy.
की. She's laughing.
How would I know?
She enjoyed it.
How
yeah.
would I know this all happened?
Oh my god, that's crazy, yaar. Just lovely.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
It was not deliberate.
Ah,
It was just fun.
Yeah, I know.
such fun.
Lovely. Okay, we're gonna do a quick segment called Most Likely To. Who's the best secret keeper from both of you?
Not me, definitely.
Yeah. Who's the one जो पहले सॉरी बोलता है झगड़े के बाद?
मैं.
Actually,
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah.
हाँ,
मम्मी पापा से सबसे ज्यादा झगड़ालू कौन है? झगड़ा करता कौन है सबसे ज्यादा पेरेंट्स के साथ?
ये
Just hit a question.
पापा के साथ तो भी never fought only.
मम्मा के साथ करते होंगे.
हाँ, मम्मी के
हम
साथ.
लोग दोनों ही करते हैं, दोनों करते हैं.
हाँ, actually मम्मी के साथ तो.
हाँ.
Yeah. खाने के मामले में सबसे ज्यादा झगड़े किसके होते हैं?
खाने के
मैं
बाद-
सब खाती हूँ.
कोई
मैं
ना, हाँ.
खाना मिले बस मैं खा लेती हूँ. उसके बहुत नखरे.
नहीं, झगड़े ऐसे होते हैं कि उसको बोलना पड़ता है मत खा,
अच्छा.
वैसा.
हाँ, मतलब they'll snatch food from me.
Okay.
काफी.
बर्थडे कौन सबसे और बर्थडे और स्पेशल डेट्स जो हमेशा भूलता है?
मेरे को कुछ याद नहीं रहता.
Just hit a question now.
After my-
आराम से
अरे,
मारना है, ये क्या है, ये करके कौन मारता है?
चुप रहे. अच्छा, आफ्टर माय अरे मम्मी का एनिवर्सरी है आज विश कर दे. अच्छा ये.
You are the reminder for.
Like this year also she reminded me. अरे mama was in Toronto. She called me. She said आज पता है ना मम्मी का anniversary.
टोरंटो क्या था? टोरंटो क्या था? टोरंटो.
Oh, lovely. Just a desi. Who's the favorite child from both of you?
Me. No, actually him.
You.
No, last mate was you only.
हाँ, last was me, but
Last
the
was
growing
you.
up, everything growing up was her. Always.
Okay.
No, it was you because you were the frail and the weak and the
हाँ,
fragile
बस चल.
child.
हाँ, oh.
Yeah.
Who's the most protective?
Me.
Yeah, knew it.
Me.
कुमार जैसे.
Sneak out करने में कौन help करता है?
हम लोग ने कभी स्नीक आउट किया ही नहीं.
हम लोग चांस ही नहीं मिला क्योंकि मैं करता तो बोल देती थी.
Oh
तो
God.
चांस पापा जा रहा लेके बैठे बैठ जा.
Who's the best advisor? Who's to give?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I take it.
Okay.
अरे तकिया लग गया था.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Public में embarrassing कौन बनाता है?
ओह
I want to know. Is there any moment?
No, it's just that she does things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, there is not one thing she does. She does things. I mean, अभी तो नहीं होता इतना because अभी publicly she can't
Like we
go
both-
crazy.
Yeah, but like my husband का मैं बताऊँ मैं हम लोग जा रहे थे मेरी बहन की शादी अनुजा की शादी थी and there's full traffic jam near the चंदन सिनेमा. तो पूरा गहने वहने पहन के साड़ी वाड़ी में उतर के मैं ट्रैफिक हवलदार बनी हुई थी वहाँ पर.
Yeah.
And I was taking care of the traffic and my husband didn't know where to look and they all came looking for me. That even after my car had passed, I was still trying to make that traffic.
Oh,
I
God.
love doing it. I think I'm brilliant at that.
Recently also it happened. हम लोग
Yeah.
कहीं जा रहे थे अभी recently and she had just come from the shoot and she was trying some clothes and she said वही पहन के चले जाती हूँ and it was and when we sat in the car I just looked at her I said are we going like this? She's like हाँ अब छोड़ना है and she was really tired. She's like मेरे को change नहीं करना ऐसे ही जाते हैं. So I just looked at Rudransh and I looked at her. I said जैसे गाड़ी रुकेगी ना हम दोनों पहले उतर के भागेंगे अंदर बताएंगे नहीं हमारे साथ है. We ran.
वो तो he's मामू भक्त, full मामू भक्त. बाप रे बाप. बापू भक्त, मामू
मामू
भक्त.
भक्त.
माँ है ही नहीं. माँ just downloaded him.
Guys, कितना भी बड़ा crisis हो, the one person has to be like calm, very down, calm down. कितना भी बड़ा crisis, कितना भी उथल-पुथल दुनिया हो जाए.
He is very hyper. He
नहीं,
loses
नहीं.
his temper very fast.
No, I lose my temper, but I'm calmer in situations when it needs to be handled.
Okay.
Actually, she's also like that.
बहुत
calm
हाँ.
होती है.
We're not
Yeah.
hyper.
And serious situation में who's the one जो सबसे पहले हंसता है?
Yeah. Means it's scary sometimes. Like okay, bus, stop.
ऐसा होता है ना कि उसको देख के मुझे भी हंसी आ जाती है.
नहीं हम लोग सब हम ऐसा लगता है पिट जाएंगे ऐसे सिचुएशन में हंसी है ये. She's like literally I can't even say but sometimes she goes hey look at that guy. I'm like stop don't do that. Yeah.
और मेरी हंसी ना ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा भयानक टाइप की है. It's too loud and it's like I would Papa used to say पता है कि गम्स दिखा के क्यों हंसती है,
हाँ।
सर कैसे हंसते पे, तो फिर उसके बाद पापा बोलते थे ऐसे औरत जैसे ऐसे हा करके कौन हंसता है, so I can't laugh normally like a woman like
Obviously. You don't have
करके
to
मैं
be.
नहीं हंस सकती वैसे
Just
यार।
be you.
मैं तो हा करके हंसती हूँ, तो
Be you,
वैसा it's
रूपाली।
pretty embarrassing, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, आपका एक लास्ट सेगमेंट है which is recreate the memory photo
हाँ।
from your gallery.
Lovely.
अब childhood photo जो रहेगा आपका आपको recreate करना है अभी photos.
Okay.
You have to show anything.
You have a picture?
I don't
should
have.
I'll pull out.
But
I have
आपके
lots
फोन में
of-
कोई भी तीन
बहुत है
पिक्चर
मेरे
रहेंगे
पास।
ना.
अच्छा रेडी 1 2 3
Cute यार. Nice. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. You're just sitting.
That's what I used to do. I was just there.
Mahabaleshwar, just before I fell off the white horse.
Yeah, cute.
I would get into accidents all the time,
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh my god.
but I didn't do nothing in them. Like if I sat on a horse, the horse would go mad.
Oh my god. Were you clumsy?
Extremely,
Yeah.
extremely. I would fall everywhere.
Same.
I would go on Papa's set and fall down with the light, remember?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, yeah.
Same.
So
या
I
ऐसे
was
पकड़
like,
लाइट वाइट गिरा देती
ऐसे पकड़ लाइट पकड़ के गिर गई शॉर्ट में.
जाना पड़
Guys, we're gonna do a quick rituals. अब राखी है तो ऐसे थोड़ी ना भेज देंगे आपको बांधे बिना. So we have laddus and we have laddus and we have
Lovely.
rakhis.
Lattu.
Which one do you like? I buy this two
I'm a
rakhis. I
red
don't
color
know.
person. Molly.
Veera
Molly
it is
color.
written and
This one, the Molly one.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what she
Can
would like.
tie this one.
Yeah, I like the Molly.
You've got laddus also.
Yeah. Do you want me to?
Okay. I'll open it.
आज की रात
I was planning थाली वाली भी लेके आऊँ.
हो गया उधर जाना पड़ेगा
आँखों से
बैठे
लीजिए.
तो चल
I was thinking, हाँ. I was thinking कि थालीज भी लेकर आऊँ that for the पूजा.
टाइम नहीं चला जाता.
उल्टा खोल दिया मैंने हाय हाय
Hi hi.
आज की रात मज़ा
ओहो, sugar.
हुस्न का
It is.
आँखों में. हाँ तो शुगर इज गुड. It's
for
just
a very long time
Just ignore this laddu.
bad.
या क्या करना है अभी
I am off
अभी
sugar
सबसे
since
पहले
afternoon.
राखी बांधेंगे और उसके बाद फीडिंग होगी.
फीडिंग होगी फीडिंग चलो बांधो
Can we have some राखी का song in background?
I will sing.
हाँ yeah, you can sing it. That's the best idea. Yeah.
भैया मेरे राखी के बंधन को निभाना, भैया मेरे बड़ी बहन को ना भूल जाना. And there was this one song that I would make him sing. Sing please.
Oh God, no, I'm not singing.
Okay, it
फूलों
was-
का तारों का she used to make me sing.
Yeah. सबका कहना है 1000
Oh my
में
God.
तेरी बहना है, सारी
लिखा।
उम्र मेरे संग रहना है.
खा ले
Wait, we'll have to feed you first,
no,
yeah.
no, I'll eat this much.
Shut up.
I can't eat that.
Okay, okay, I'll give you this one. Chal, come.
Thank you.
That is so lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bless you.
Oh my god.
बहुत नाम कमाओ, सारे गाने हिट हो, पिक्चर डायरेक्ट करो,
Thank you very much.
खुश रहो.
Touch wood. दीदी का
Same
साथ है
to
तो. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for doing this. It was lovely having you. You're the best brother and sister duo I've
Yeah,
ever
thanks.
met. Thank you so much guys.
Bye.